Welcome to our channel. Whether you're a new pool owner or a seasoned swimmer, our channel is here to help you make the most of your backyard oasis. Alright folks, let's dive into some cleaning hacks and product reviews. Here we see a person using a pool vacuum to clean the pool floor. It's amazing how these tools can make maintenance a breeze. Now let's talk about keeping your pool crystal clear. Look at these different pool accessories being showcased. Each one plays a vital role in maintaining that perfect sparkling water. Moving on, we're going to show you how to install a new pool. Watch closely as this person assembles an Intex pool. It's simpler than you might think, and the results are totally worth it. Alright, picture this. A family having a blast at a pool party, right? They've got a floating Bluetooth speaker pumping out their favorite tunes, and they're lounging on these super comfy inflatable loungers. Sounds like a perfect day, doesn't it? And here we are, folks. Let's talk about keeping your pool in tip-top shape. One of the easiest ways to maintain your pool is by using a pool skimmer to remove leaves and debris. Just skim the surface daily, and you'll keep your pool looking pristine and inviting. Hey there! If you enjoyed these tips and want to keep your pool sparkling clean, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got plenty more pool care advice and fun ideas coming your way. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Why not take it a step further? Join our wonderful community of pool enthusiasts. Whether you're diving into the deep end, lounging by the poolside, or enjoying some fun pool games, there's always something for everyone. Come be a part of our pool-loving family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more pool care tips and tricks. See you next time.